Oh, we're not ready yet.
1, 2, 3.
And another ceremony right here at Kendrick Gonzalez Street in Wabagari Extension. I was signing over his new home. He's a new homeowner here on 91.7 FM. And yeah, so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So quick and so quick and so quick. The young man having a good start. Now he could start his family now comfortably. You know, not having to worry too much. Very good start by the government, the People's United Party, doing their thing. Right here, documenting everything live and direct on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. Let me tell you, ladies, it's a very special occasion for this young man. The man don't get the house already. Right, so the man is show off the house now. Right. Very good. Very good start. Nice backyard. It's good to go now. The man could start a family. He have a starter house already, so he have his own slaughterhouse right here. Did I say slaughterhouse or starter house? Oh, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I meant to say starter house. Yeah, this is wonderful. Wonderful. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. They're still actively doing work here in Griga, handing over a home for this young man. So he have a roof over his head. He have a roof over his head now. Look at it.
Open windows, Henry.
There it is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Right there. Sorry about that, Harry. A good start up.
Fantastic. Yes.
Feels good. You don't even need no AC now. It's fresh. Remember? Real 7.
Yes. Then they have the bathroom on this side. Okay.
Wow. This is a big start, ladies and gentlemen. This is something special. You know, when you have a roof over your head, not like that. You see? All he needs to ring. All he needs now. Yeah. All he needs now is a curtain for his bathroom. Alright, good. Remember, we're still live here on 91.7 FM. Work, no stop. People have to live. So, well, maybe I get that one time. It's going to take a little while because our people are waiting right now. We want to hear from Dr. Louis Amarin right now. Right there. He ready for this special moment, this special occasion, once in a lifetime. Homes, and they're still building more homes for our people to serve them. You know, the yard full to the man could plant anything when you want back there now. Clean, no grass right now. So a lot of people are saying congratulations to Ken, why they call him Ken. They know him very well. You know, very positive young man doing his thing. This is what we're talking about. You give him a push for a start and he gone. Because in about 5 years, this house will double in size. Right? So, this is the home. You just get this home, ladies and gentlemen. You just get it. Right here in Wabagari City. Right here in Wabagari City. This young man, Kenrick Gonzalez, just got his home. Congratulations to Kenrick Gonzalez, you know, right here in Wabagari. Look at him, all excited about this home. You know, look at, tell her again, ladies and gentlemen, all he needs now is a curtain and he good. Let's see if they like work. Huh? They're not with the light, no. Not yet? No power? Alright, yes, we gotta show it. We gotta show it. We gotta show it, we're live. We can't stop this job.
Steve, close the door. Better. Can you see something? Just look at it. Just the mic. This. Double Ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3.
Alright, so first, just so we ensure we have your name correct, can you kindly say your first and last name and spell it for us?
Kenrick Gonzalez. KenRickGonzalez.
Alright, Mr. Kenneth, so first of all, congrats on the new house.
Thanks very much.
Please walk us through what you're feeling right now.
Well, it's overjoyed. As you know, having a home that you can expand on, put different things together on, it's a dream. It's a joy. I don't even know what to say actually, but we're gonna walk through this properly.
Alright, any plans to make this your home?
Oh yes, plans is already in effect. We have the plans already to put the burglar bars in. We have the plans to get tiles done. We have plans to put carpet in and so forth. So it's just, I'm all different emotions happening right now to even say that all we want to do. But we have plans to expand also.
Alright, so the last one for me, I know it's a bit hard feeling overwhelmed, but can you maybe tell us a bit about what this means to you now owning your home?
Well, owning my own home means security, that's for one. And it also gives you financial freedom. So you can always go to the bank and expand, get a mortgage loan and then expand on the home and then put other stuff together. So that is something that I also plan to do very, very, very soon.
Could you tell us what area this is?
This is Kenrick Gonzalez Street in Wabagari area.
Okay. So tell us how you get this house. How did this come about?
Well, I applied through the ministry for this home and everything like that, and constant calls, spoke to the one and only Miss Marissa, stressed her out a bit, but that's all in deal. And right from there, the conversation started, and we're here.
So you want to say anything to those who assisted?
Oh, much thanks and appreciation to the team that built this house. Much appreciation to Dr. Zab, to Miss Mar for accepting my calls anytime of the night. I want to say something to her. She always make herself available.
You said ministry. Which ministry specifically talking?
The Ministry of Housing and Infrastructure, sorry.
Anything else you want to add?
We're home.
On behalf of DYFA Garifuna Radio Station, I want to say congratulations to you, Kenrick, for being that person that is always willing to assist a lot of young people. So we are watching, we're paying attention. We might not say much, but young people seems to be having a hard time with tangible things like this. Something might seem far-fetched to them. So what would you say to them for you now being a new homeowner?
It's not far-fetched. All you need to do is have the drive and determination, and always lobby for what you want. Sorry about the fanning every minute, but yeah, have the drive and determination to lobby for what you want, and you will get it in some which way or form.
Okay, one last question. Now, what do you say to your mom and your sister right now? Now they're watching live on
we're home. This is just an expansion of my mom's home, so I am here now. It's maturity stepping up, so that is what we're looking at now.
Thank you very much, Kenrick.
No problem.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Very humble young man. he will go far. Next, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Doc, one quick question though, Doc. I mean the work. I thought you might relax right now, but you caught us off guard. The work never seems to stop.
Yeah, no, this is what we signed up to do, right? To see how we could make the lives of people better. And this is about Plan Belize. This is about the leadership of our Prime Minister, John Briceño, all my colleagues in cabinet, in particular under the leadership of Honorable Julius Espat in the Ministry of Infrastructure, Development and Housing. And now this will be number 9 house in our constituency. After this, we'll do 2 more. One more not far from here, and 1 in Sarawee.
Now, total, how much we'll get in our constituency?
Up to now, it will be 13.
13. That
Yes.
will be the max right now, or is that the number that we're looking at?
Well, no, that will be, it's continuous, you see, so we keep going. We keep, as the funds become available to central government, that's dispersed across the country, and then we keep moving on, and we're so happy that our people are getting opportunities to have nice homes that are very well built, that will last for many, many decades, and where they can raise their families, and our community can be strengthened by having this investment for them.
Thanks, Doc. And one more question. I see that it's a diverse. We've been following this as well as to capture some of these images of distribution homes. I see it's a diverse. I was going to ask about young people, but it looked like it was already in the plan, and so it feels so
Yes,
good to have someone, a young person,
yes, so
receiving
happy,
a home
so
like
happy for him, so happy for him. You know, it's persons across the spectrum indeed, and across our community. We're so excited for them, and we can feel the joy, right, of this day for them. And we, on behalf of all the people of Dangriga, I'm here to experience that for them, that we are making our people, making their lives better.
Well, thank you very much, Doc. Thanks. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your questions asked, the question answered by the outgoing area representative for Sarawee, Hope Quick and Dangriga. Ayo, ladies and gentlemen. Ayo, see you at the next. We will see who's gonna be getting the next home, right? Ayo, 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 ayo.